exam,
Okay.
speaking part.
Okay.
And they are trying to explain to us how to make a good speech. We have to answer some questions, so they are saying that we have to speak, not to give us short answers. We have to try to talk a few minutes and to give a long and a very well structured phrases. For example, what do you like to do in your free time? But we cannot answer only, I like to play football. It's a very short answer. We have to try to speak longer, and we have to make eye contact with the examiner, and that we have to listen carefully to the examiner, and because sometimes we don't hear, we don't read properly, we are under pressure, we are stressed, we are very nervous, so we are blocked.
Okay.
And that we have to be very enthusiastic, have motivation when we speak, and make the class, the exam nice and more comfortable to the topic. Try to be happy and have motivation when we speak.
Okay, very good. Okay, guys, I mean that is an excellent answer. So now to ask you a question, which is the easiest part of the test? According to the videos, it was sent to you, which is the easiest part of the test?
Easy now. About the video?
Yes, which is the easiest part of the test?
The first part.
The first part, why?
Because the main about is very motivation and very interesting. When I see the video about your activities daily life, for example, sports, hobbies or chores, is very interesting when the student about your future or your ambition help the pronunciation or use more grammar.
Okay, so now, Noralba. So according to this, why? I mean, what is the purpose? I mean, what is the purpose of the first part of the test? What is the purpose? Why is the main aim over there?
The purpose is motivate the learn the new language. It is the more friendly or communication with other people, or motivate the students to learn English.
Okay, so what about you, Jason? Tell me, what do you think about that? Which is the easiest part of the test and why? The question is why.
Well, so you're interested in the CAE speaking of this part of the exam?
Can you turn on your
last part?
the microphone, please?
So who's listening to this? Eduardo, please, yes, turn off the microphone because then we can hear. Okay, let's go, Jason.
Okay, I think the part of the video that is easily is when I should to answer the questions about our hobbies, our jobs, our activities or daily routines. But the main target of the test is to use the vocabulary and the grammar and to construct the daily routines or the activities that we use in our lives. Also, I think it's very important for us improve our vocabulary for can give answers and to these questions.
Okay, Jason. Thank you very much. So and then Eduardo, are you there? Eduardo? Are you there, Eduardo? Can you hear me? Eduardo, can you hear me? Eduardo?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, thank you very much.
Can you
Okay.
hear me?
Yes, absolutely, I can hear you. Now, I have a question for you. Tell me, according to the videos we watched, and then what type of questions would you be asked in part 1? Could you please tell me, according to the videos, what type of questions will you be asked in part 1? Eduardo. I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay.
Can you hear me there?
Yeah, could you please tell me what type of questions will you be asked in part 1 of the test? I mean, what type of questions will you get?
What? Perfection? Sorry, can you repeat?
No, what type of questions will you be asked in part 1? Could you please tell me that?
In the part 1 of the video,
Yes.
in the part 1 of the video, I saw it's a Spanish guy. He was talking about the important how to be and don't do short words. The moment to talk and the people when you answer the short question. This Spanish guy is talking about how to do better in an interview or when we are speaking with somebody, so the examiner can see we understand the language or we can speak well.
Okay.
Is that?
Guys, are the do's and don'ts about those pictures when you describe pictures? I mean, what are the do's and don'ts?
The most important?
No, listen to the question. Important. What are the do's and don'ts when you describe a picture? So according to the video and the advices that the person say down there. What are the
No,
do's
teacher.
and don'ts? No? You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. So Diane, could you please tell me what are the do's and don'ts according to describe the pictures? Diane? I can hear you. Okay.
Okay, teachers.
Okay.
The don'ts, they said don't state the obvious. Don't be too
Okay,
obvious.
important.
This picture I can see, so you don't have to do that. You have to find similarities in the picture and differences.
Okay.
And you have to go for contrasting the pictures in order to describe. What else?
Okay, what else can we say?
Well, I didn't finish the video to check. That's what I saw. I didn't finish the video, but I saw this part.
Remember, guys, that it's important. It's important to watch the videos because this is why it's meant to be sent for you to watch. Okay. Okay. So now in this order, Noralba. I don't know what I have this Caroline. Noralba. So I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. What is the lady advice when describing a picture? Tell me the specific answer. What is the lady's advice when describing the picture?
Help the students the picture help the more ingredients. For example, I compare how contains help the more different or similar the pictures or help the more areas. When see you the four, I think the more situations or think more.
Okay. Thank you very much, Nuralba. So, Jason, if I say, okay, what does the lady mean when she say comparing and contrast? Jason. Jason? Jason, can you hear me? Jason, probably.
Tell me, teacher.
Okay. Could you please tell me what does the lady mean when she said comparing and contrast? What does she mean? On the second video.
Okay, teacher. It means when the girl says we should to compare the pictures. The main is to use the vocabulary about the construct different situations, about the activities or jobs, or maybe the clothes that is using the persons in the pictures, or the activities that is making in this moment these persons, or maybe the land, the wild, or in other place that in which there's those persons it's been. The most important the video of this part is that construct about activities, about the clothes, about the other situations in the people or in the animals or something like that.
Okay, thank you, Jason. Okay, Noralba, tell me, where are you from? Noralba, where are you from?
Me?
Yes, Noralba, where are you from? Tell me, where are you from, Noralba?
I am from Pasto, teacher.
Okay, so what do you do there, over there in Pasto?
In this city is very cool and very city. It's very important for me living in this city because it's mine. It's easy to travel and to to my work. In my city is very beautiful thing because the space is comfortable. Is no stress.
Okay, I'm going to ask you another question, Noralba. What do you enjoy most about learning English? What do you enjoy most about learning English?
No, teacher.
What do you enjoy most about learning English, Noralba?
Okay, excuse me. In this moment, I enjoy
Okay, time. That's it, Noralba. You see? So this is why, guys.
Not listen.
Time, guys, time set up. Did you hear that, Diane? Could you hear the timer? Diane? Could you hear the timer? Yes?
Yes,
Okay, so remember, guys, when you hear the timer, then you stop, okay? Because remember, there's going to be only 2 minutes per each, okay? So I'm going to go with Eduardo.